Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Chelidonium. Full name Chelodonium majus. Common name Celandine. Short name Chelidonium. Source plant vegetable world. Pathogenesis. It produces congestion, inflammation and sometimes degeneration of liver cells. As a result, first there occurs enlargement of the organ with final consequential shrinkage and cirrhosis of liver, jaundiced skin and mucous membrane. It also affects gallbladder, bile duct, gastrointestinal tract and lung. It is a strong right-sided remedy. It's a very important thing. It is a strong right-sided remedy. Relation with heat and cold, neither chilly nor hot. Constitution. Adapted to person of light complexion, blonde, thin and irritable, having hepatic and gastric abdominal complaints of all ages, sexes and temperaments. Temperament, highly irritable. Miasms, sora and syphilis in the background. This is the picture of Celandine. This Celandine plant, this is the picture of Celandine. Guiding symptoms of Chelidonium affects right side more, as for example right eye, right lung, right hypochondrium, right abdomen, right hip and right leg, etc. Constant pain under the lower and inner angle of right scapula due to affection of gallbladder and liver. This has been shown by this arrow. Please ignore this black sign. This is actually, this comes from the picture, original picture. This is not done by me. I have done this thing. This is the right scapula, lower angle. Pain felt here. This is a specific symptom of Chelidonium. Most specific and almost it can be said that it is linked with the Chelidonium medicine. That lower and inner angle of right scapula, there will be constant pain. Actually, this is due to gallbladder and liver. All symptoms of patient better after dinner. Another very important point. After eating, all symptoms minimize. Thick yellow coated tongue and imprints of teeth on sides. This is imprint of teeth on sides, thickly coated, yellow coated. Desire for very hot drinks. Unless drinks is near boiling hot, stomach won't retain it. This desire for hot drinks is another peculiar symptom of Chelidonium. Yellow, grey color or whole skin, mucous membrane of the body. For bilious complications, Chelidonium is infallible. Note this line. For bilious complication, Chelidonium is infallible. Ailments from change of weather. Patient generally too lethargic, highly indisposed. This is closely allied to lycopodium. Another important reason for liver, When lycopodium is indicated but fails, experts say give Chelidonium. Stitching pains due to serous effusion. This medicine also causes serous effusion. Serous means serous layer, as we found in lung, pleura, or heart pericardium. This pericardium actually and liver covering pleura. These are all serous tissue. These are all serous tissue, and effusion means water accumulated within that space. That is called serous effusion. Heavy, stiff, sore, paralyzed, dislocative and broken feeling or numbness. General feeling of lethargy, indisposition to make any effort. Horror of motion. Feel tired and little exertion. Bilious complication during gestation. Actually, bilious complication in every place and every patient, not only during gestation. Lung affections. Finally, jaundice. Certainly, liver is affected, gallbladder is affected, so there will be jaundice. Bitter. Hot food, eating, dinner, milk, pressure, hot bath, bending backward, lying on abdomen. Worse, motion, cough, touch. Change of weather, northeast wind, 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. looking up. Head symptoms of Chelidonium. Vertigo, felt in the vertex with bilious vomiting and pain in liver. Headache extends backward. Occiput feels heavy as lead. Icy coldness of occiput from nape of neck. Now nape of neck, remind it, neck is actually cervical vertebra region C1 to C7. This is neck. Of this, C3 and C4 level portion is called nape of the neck. That's very important thing. Nape of the neck C3, C4. Cervical 3, cervical 4 level, the portion of neck is called nape of the neck. Neuralgia over right eye, right cheek and right ear with excessive lacrimation. Cranium feels too small. Eye symptoms of Chelidonium: dirty yellow color of sclera. Dirty yellow color of sclera. Soreness of eyes, worse looking up. Dazzling spot before eyes. Lacrimation when looking intently with pain in eyes or from tickling in larynx. Mucus in eyes, cannot open eyes with prosopalgia. Prosopalgia is another very serious disease. This is actually inflammation of trigeminal nerve. It causes facial neuralgia, prosopalgia. Facial neuralgia, serious, very serious disease. This another name of the disease is suicide disease. A lot of patients in earlier times rather, used to commit suicide due to pain of prosopalgia, because then during that period, the painkiller was not there. So patient cannot tolerate this pain and committed suicide. Could not tolerate. They could not tolerate. It's so painful disease, prosopalgia, facial neuralgia. Now we have got very powerful painkillers. So pain is killed and the patient, there is no cause of, cases of death or other suicidal case from prosopalgia. Ear symptoms of Chelidonium: sensation in both ears as if wind were rushing out or something crawling out. Loss of hearing during cough. Nose symptoms of Chelidonium: nose red, flapping of the ali nasai. Ali nasai is the lower portion of the nose on both sides, right side, left side. The portion which generally swells up and down during inspiration and expiration. Obstruction with liver complaints. Tip of nose swollen and red. Dryness of nose. Face symptoms of Chelidonium: dark red or shallow and sunken. Forehead, nose, cheek appears yellow. Right cheekbone feels as if swollen with tearing pain. Flashes of it. Nodular eruption on face. Mouth symptoms of Chelidonium: taste bitter, tongue yellow with imprints of teeth, large and flabby, narrow, pointed. This is actually tongue. Large, flabby, narrow, pointed tongue. Salivation with nausea, giddiness. Bitter water collects in mouth. Throat symptoms of Chelidonium: choking, worse from breathing, as hasty swallowing, or as if too large a morsel had been swallowed. Morsel, I think this is a fish of European area. That the symptom is written from their angle, morsel. You may not to get this particular name of the fish here. A left-sided goiter. Note this: the left portion of the thyroid is swollen. Left-sided goiter. It is an USP means uncommon, strange, peculiar symptom. Generally, goiter occurs bilaterally, and these are generally equal. Occasionally, it goes to one side, either left side or right side. This particular Chelidonium has left-sided goiter. So I have written it as an USP, that is uncommon, strange, peculiar symptom. Stomach symptoms of Chelidonium: craves milk, piquant or hot foods and drinks. Nausea better from drinking milk. Vomiting better from taking very hot water. Gastric pain, gnawing, scraping better from eating. As of a plug in stomach, that is pain actually, the pain is missing here. Pain as of a plug in the stomach. Aversion to meat, coffee, cheese. Loss of appetite. Abdomen symptoms Chelidonium: epigastric region tender. This is the epigastric region actually. On the right hand side I have shown epigastric region. The abdomen has been divided into 9 quadrants. This central quadrant midway is called epigastrium. Tender. Liver pains going backward or fixed at the angle of right scapula. Liver enlarged, tender, gallbladder stones. Constriction across the abdomen as by string. Stools, pasty, pale, bright yellow or clay hard balls. Alternation of diarrhea and constipation. Ascites with yellow palms, crawling and itching in rectum. Sensation as if an animal wriggling in epigastrium. Navel drawn in during colic. Urinary symptoms: Chelidonium, profuse foamy urine like beer, spasmodic pain in liver, right kidney. Urine stains the diaper dark yellow. Male symptoms: Chelidonium, frequent erection even during day, pains in glands, itching, creeping on scrotum and glands. Female symptoms: Chelidonium, menses too late, too profuse. Longing for unusual articles during pregnancy. Longing, that is wish, for unusual articles, means articles of food during pregnancy. Liquoria white, stains linen yellow. Burning in vagina recurs at the same hour of the during day. Respiratory symptoms of Chelidonium: short breath and tight chest. Clothing seem too tight. Feel better during deep breath. Dyspnea worse while urinating. Pressure pain in chest on deep inspiration. Cough as from dust, with much rattling but little expectoration. Or it flies from mouth. It means this expectoration, that is small balls of mucus flies from the mouth. Bilious pneumonia, stitches in chest. Respiratory symptoms with liver complaints. Pressure in larynx as if air could not pass through. Heart symptoms: Chelidonium, violent palpitation with tightness in chest and periodic palpitation. Neck and back symptoms of Chelidonium: fixed pain under lower angle of right scapula. Lower angle of right scapula, this place on the right hand side picture. Lower angle of right scapula, which often extends into stomach and chest, causing nausea and vomiting. Occiput heavy with pain. Occiput, this portion of head is called occiput. The back lower portion of the head is called occiput. Pain from neck to right temple. Pressive pains in vertebrae, worse bending forward or backwards. Occiput heavy with pain in the right side of the back. Cervicobrachial neuralgia. Cervicobrachial neuralgia. Cervix, this is this portion is called cervical, and brachial means actually this area, shoulder area. This is cervicobrachial, this area. Neuralgia. Extremity symptoms: Chelidonium, very sore to touch, cold fingertips, pain in heels as if pinched by too narrow a shoe, burning and stiffness in the right knee, worse from movement, limbs seem paralyzed, lower limbs feel heavy, ankle steep, edema around ankle and feet, paresis of lower limbs with rigidity of muscles, one foot cold, the other hot. Skin symptoms of Chelidonium: skin yellow, itching better from eating, painful pimples and pustules, skin wrinkled. Sleep symptoms of Chelidonium: lethargic, drowsy and chilly, dreams of corpse and funerals, sleepiness but no sleep, falls asleep while speaking. Fever symptoms of Chelidonium: burning heat, spreads from hands over body, sweaty with aversion to uncover and without relief, sweat during sleep, after midnight, from slight exertion, fluctuating temperature and high fever. Complement medicine: Lycopodium and Marx dulcis. Related medicine: Brownia, Calibicrum, Marx and opium. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. Any complaint, please write down in the comment section. I would, as usual, attend.